Alpha 4 Papa Uniform Bravo. Whiskey Alpha 4 Papa Uniform Bravo. The name is Dave, short for David. Dave, short for David. And I'm about 20 miles northwest of Atlanta, Georgia. Over.
Roger, Dave, in Atlanta, and I'm copying you on Milford, but just out of curiosity, come back and give me about 10 seconds, tell me about your antenna system, and then let me check some of the other SDRs, see if I have a better copy, and I'll check my antenna also, Roger.
Check my antenna also, Roger.
Okay, I do appreciate you very much. Just doing some work outside. Tango Sugar 990. This is a Kenwood Tango Sugar 990. I'm running 200 watts. And the antenna is a 3-element wire beam. It's a 3-element wire beam pointing toward Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, actually. Pointing toward Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I have either straight east like this, or I can point the antenna west by throwing the switch. But there's nothing in between. Over.
Roger. Now that's pretty interesting. A steerable 3-element. Is that done through phasing?
No, I changed the tuning of the parasitic elements. I changed the tuning of the parasitic elements using some relays. I don't know if you could see any difference. Let me see. I could switch the antenna toward the west by throwing the switch. The antenna is pointing toward Dallas, Texas. The antenna is now looking west toward Dallas, Texas. West toward Dallas, Texas. And now back east toward Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I don't know if you saw any difference in there, but that's best I could do. Over.
Yes, sir. I'm copying 8 dB signal difference between the one and the other. The one that you were last on speaking is, a good 10 to 12 dB over the Milford SDR noise level. Roger?
SDR noise level. Roger.
Roger. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. And it was nice because I was outside doing some work out of doors. Age here is 83, soon to be 84. Over. 1, 2.
Roger. Well, you certainly do have a good handle on antennas. That was a nice difference. There's a lot of folks that have antennas that, are designed to make a difference in one direction or the other, but when you get to a point of copying the mail and they switch, they don't do too much sometimes. But yours did make quite a difference, Roger.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. But now I'm interfering with your QSO. So I want to thank you for it. It was a good break for me. I'm just sitting down for a moment or so. So wish you and yours all the best. And I am copying the other station, but of course not as strong as you. What a difference, 8 miles, I think you said, between each other. So that's the way it goes. If you have the propagation, a lot of strange things didn't go on. Over.
Roger, Dave. Well, there is a little difference in power. There's about 900 watts difference in power between he and I, Roger.
Okay, well, it definitely is improving your signal, for sure. Well, I hope that you'll forgive me for bugging out on you. I'm going to go out and get something to drink, working outside as I was. So be well, keep well, and etc. So long for now. WA4, Papa's Ugly Boy, Marietta, Georgia.
Roger, Dave. 3's that way, sir. Thanks for checking in. And yes, that antenna is just great, and it's a marvel to behold. And if you would like to hear it in operation, we are recording now from now until 5. So if you wanted to hear that switch, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. We're currently featuring about 1,150 recorded Qso-Vlogs, but you'll be interested in this one specifically, and it's called My Group AIRCHECK 6/12/20, today's date. My Group AIRCHECK 6/12/20. So, that will let you hear that beautiful antenna switch. So 3's that way down in Georgia. And Dave, you have a great rest of the afternoon. Don't work too hard out there in the sun. And if you get a chance, check back with us next Friday. We run between 3:30 and 5 and record live. This is KC9VKV listening.